Aw man, I'm about to play me some Sonic Generations. It's gotta be awesome because it's already 26 years of me, because I'm already the famous video game character of all times because of my greatest successful things from Sega that part of the video game franchise. So yeah, I'm about to play it now. Woo! Hey Sonic, I got a surprise for you. Not now, classic me, I'm about to play. But modern me, there's something special for you that I gotta show you. Alright, fine, make it quick, jeez. Alright, give me a second. Alright Sonic, you can look. Alright, what is it, classic me? Oh, man. Sonic mania! Hey you guys, check out modern me. What is he doing? I know. Wait, why is he throwing everything out of the fridge? It's because he's excited that he has Sonic Mania right here, right now, because it was released today. Oh, I guess that makes sense. Yeah, definitely. And how long is it gonna go on anyways? What are you guys still doing? Go, 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 go! Yeah, take a better guess what I got for the Switch. Vector, bring it in. Alright, I got it right here, Sonic. Alright, there it is, Sonic. Sonic Mania. Yeah, the Sonic fans are excited for the game. Yeah. Now, excuse me, I gotta go into Starbucks and have some hot chocolate and some whipped cream. Ah, because I'm a crocodile. Well, Vector is going into an overload situation. But anyways, yeah, that's right, Sonic Mania, and about to do an unboxing of it, and especially that doing a review about it on the Switch. What everyone else got excited for Sonic Mania because it was already released last week. So yeah, so let's do this by having GeeBee unbox it for me, and then I will do a review about it. Alright, thanks Sonic. But for today, Sonic Mania is already here, and I already have it for the Switch right here, right now, today. And let me just unbox the thing, and just remove the plastic stuff, and make sure that I open it gently without damaging the good box over here. But look on the cover, like it says, like there's on the back, 2D Sonic is back. A brand new adventure, yeah, and especially here's one of the robots of one of the hard-boiled heavies. So yeah, and especially new levels and Sonic stages. But let me just unbox it. Yeah. All right, we got here another box. Let me just get it out. Hold on, let me just set down my camera for a moment. Sorry about that. Come on. Oh man, I accidentally damaged the box. And just... Oh, I got another way how I can do that. Yeah, that's the same one over here. But it looks like the same thing over here. And same box over here. Alright, looks like that's the same copy of that over here. See that? Look. The original one that you see, and the one in the box over here. And let me just unpackage it and see what does it have inside. Alright, I'm gonna set down my camera for a moment and see what's inside. Come on. Oh man. It comes in with the classic Sonic standing on the Sega Genesis and especially the download code. And it's pretty cool. And just set my camera down again. Just like damage the product over here. Just grab out this statue. Alright, looks like I got is the statue, and it says Sonic Mania on the Genesis. It says high definition graphics. It's the same one from the original Sega Genesis, which once again I do not have the one that's original. I only got that's a different one over here. But yeah, classic Sonic looks pretty cute and doing the same pose just like the cover over here. So yeah, moving on to the cartridge and the card over here. Alright, what I got here is the cartridge of Sonic Mania and the card for with the Sonic Mania logo. But hang on, I'm just trying getting it out. Whoa, that thing looks amazing. And it's a pretty good art. Thank you Sega for making the best Sonic game ever that was released last week, which thank you, including the people of the Sega, and Sonic is my favorite character in the video game franchise. But thanks to Christian Whitehead for making this game amazing. But hang on, let me just grab the cartridge of the game out, and look, it looks very amazing. And comparing to that over here, and what's inside is a gold ring, and it's very amazing, and it's very solid, and wow, it's very amazing. But still, Sonic Mania is the coolest game ever, and so that game is radical. But back to you, Sonic. Alright, thanks GeeBee, and hope you enjoyed the unboxing and the review on the game Sonic Mania, which me and GeeBee plan on doing a boss rush on the game, and it's gonna be awesome because there's many Sonic fans that are excited on Sonic Mania, which is very amazing and pretty crazy, huh? But yeah, and thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to this channel called GeeBee and subscribe for more videos, and see you all YouTubers later. Bye-bye, and check out some previous videos, and especially GeeBee is going to have his own Twitter account anytime sooner, or maybe around next month, probably. But you'll find out anytime sooner. So, yeah. See you all later. Bye-bye. Bye, you Sonic fans and YouTubers. And subscribe for more Sonic Mania! Yeah!